In this video, we are going to see how to raise a leave request for an employee in our ERP system. So, in this data, the employee leave request, here, request date, the employee which day leave have to be raised, next employee ID, employee name, what type of leave, next start date, which applied days, and the reason. So this data we can raise a leave request in our ERP system. Let us log in our ERP system. Now enter the user credential, username and password. Once log in our ERP system, to raise a leave request, we have to navigate to Payroll. In Payroll, transaction. In transaction, leave encash permission comp of request screen. Once entered into the screen, the first tab is a leave tab. So we have to select this leave tab. To raise a leave request, we have to click the add button. So the first field is a request date field. We have to select the request date. Next, we have to select which employee. On selecting this employee, employee ID and the employee name will be generated. Next, we have to select the which leave type. So now we are selecting the loss of pay. Next, we have to select the start date for this particular leave request. After selecting the start date, we have to select the start session. Next, we have to enter the applied days. Next, we have to enter the reason. After entering the data, we have to save this document. Once save this document, we have to confirm the complete data. Next, we have to post this particular document. Once posting this particular document, this particular leave request will be forwarded to the approval person. Once clicking this post button, workflow approval pop-up will be reflecting here. The first is priority mode. We can set the priority mode, and the forward person will be reflecting automatically based on the default. Next, we have to click the OK button. Once clicking this OK button, this particular leave request document has been forwarded. Now, we will log in that particular approval person and we will approve this particular document. Before that, we can see this leave request status. Now, the leave request status, it is an entry completed. After approving this particular leave request, the status will be coming to posted. Now, we will log in that particular approval person. Once log in the approval person login, top right corner approval option will be there. We have to click this approval option. Once entered into the screen, the leave request document will be reflecting here. Here, that particular approval person can view the details. What the leave request data, complete data, what the requested data will be reflecting here. After verifying this particular data, the approval person can select this particular document. After selecting this particular document, we have to click this process button. Once clicking this process button, approval pop-up will be reflected. There will be options like we can approve this particular leave request document, we can forward this particular leave request document, or we can return this particular leave request document. Now we will select the approve. After selecting this approve, we have to click this process button. Now that particular leave request document have been processed successfully. Now we will check that particular leave request status. Now we have to go for the same screen. That particular leave request document have been posted successfully. Thank you for watching.